Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Yada. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you can join the Glamo squad. In today's video, guys, I finally got a TV stand. So I can finally get a TV. I won't have to watch TV off my little 32-inch no more. But yes. So I'm going to be putting that TV stand together as well as showing you guys ways on how to decorate and make the space come together. Whether it's chic, whether it's leaned out, you know, my style, glam. But yes, if you guys want to see how I put this TV stand together, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so this is currently my living room space. Y'all can see my little screen TV right there and all these cords that I have to hide. So yeah, we're getting ready to put these there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so these here are the two boxes, and the TV stand that I got is the Reminisce, I want to say, that's how you say it. So yes, it's from IKEA. It's white. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is currently the living room after I ripped boxes open. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take everything out and then follow the instructions by putting everything together. Okay, just a quick update. This is how we're looking so far. Still gotta put these on these small ones. But this is how it's looking. It's coming along very slowly. Quick update. All I'm gonna say is this little TV stand is no joke, okay? This is what I got so far. I got it on the side because my back hurts and I have to be able to stand up and do everything the right way. So yes, I'll check back in a second. So this actually took a little longer than what I thought it would. I actually put the TV stand, like half of it backwards. So this is what it looks like now because I put the whole thing back together. So now I just need to put the drawers on and then we will be complete. Alright guys, this wraps up today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed this mini home update slash me putting together my TV stand and also putting the final touches to make the space come together. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below if there's any new videos you would like to see in this moving series. Be sure to let me know down below. That way I will know in order to put out more content for you all. Be sure to subscribe, tell your friends to join the Glam Mode Squad, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.